guys, welcome to a new video. In our video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the vanishing point tool. Alright, so it's a much better alternative compared to the perspective tool. Right, so that's if you want to get an accurate and easy to achieve result. Right, so to do that, first of all we need to get an image. Right, so I'm going to be working with this this part of this image right here. Okay, I'm going to be putting an image here using the vanishing point tool. Right, so first of all I'm going to open that image. There are also different pictures that I'm going to use to illustrate this tool for you, to show you how good it is. Like this one, I'm going to show you how to put an image that will be perfectly in line with this perspective right here. Alright, from here to here. You need to get an image that I want to put in those places. Right, so I'm going to use this one for the first picture that I showed you. Right, to do that I'll just simply copy this. Alright, so I'm going to select this layer. First of all I'm going to select everything. Right, I'm going to select everything. Now I'll click on Ctrl C to copy this layer. Right, I'll copy this layer and then this one. Right, what I'm going to do next is to create a layer above this background layer. Right, I'll just come over here to the plus sign, click to create another layer, then go to the filter and click on vanishing points. Right, click on vanishing points. It will take you to this workspace. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in a little so that I can see what I'm doing. So to zoom in, just click on Control key on your keyboard and the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. Right, so now to temporarily zoom in to these points so that I can get a better view of these points. Right, I'll just hold down my X key. As you can see, just hold down my X key, then select those points. So whenever I release my X key, it will go back to the original size. So as you guys can see, the line is red to tell us that this is not properly done. So I'm just going to adjust these nodes so that I can get the shape I want. Right, so I'm looking for something like this. Right, so this is correct right now. This is perfect right now. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to paste that image that we copied. Right, to do that, click on Ctrl V on your keyboard. Right, Ctrl V on your keyboard. As you can see, this is the image. So let me zoom out a bit so you can see everything. Now it is very important to rescale this image. So I'm going to scale it down by clicking on Ctrl C. Right, I'll click on Ctrl C. Just want to scale it down enough so you can fit into this place. Now drag it into this place. Right, so let me zoom in so I can see that part clearly. Okay, so I'm just gonna adjust this one to the edge, just like that. Then drag this over here. So as you can see guys, we've successfully done it, and this is an easy alternative compared to the perspective tool. So once I'm done here, I'll just click on OK. So guys, as you can see, this is the photo in perfect alignment with this door. Right, so now one more thing that you need to take note of guys is this is actually a separate image right now. So if I should move this, as you can see, it will move. So for you to make it one with this original image, you have to merge this layer. So to do that, just hold Control on your keyboard, select both layers, and then click on Control E to merge them. Now they are a single image right here. As you can see, this one is not movable. Right, so let me zoom in a bit. So guys, as you can see, we've successfully done that. So let's go to the next image and let me illustrate this for you. To do the same thing here, still the same process that we used. Remember, we already copied our image, so we'll just click on this plus icon to create a new layer. Then click on filter and click on vanishing points. Now we just need to zoom in a bit. Let's zoom in a bit. Now let's create perspective. So I'm just gonna hold on my Alt key and create and get a perspective for my image. Right, so to extend this to this side, I just hold on my control key and drag, as you can see, just like that. Now we'll just click on Ctrl B to paste the image we copied, which is this one. Right, remember we need to resize it, so click on Ctrl T and then resize the image. Zoom out and resize. I'll drag it into this one. So guys, as you can see, once I'm done here, I'll click on OK. You can see guys, this is how to use the vanishing point tool. I mean, as you can see, it is a lot more easier to use than the perspective tool. Alright? Now you can play around with this, adjust the blend mode to the one you would like, or to do whatever you want. Alright? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions that you want to ask, you can also ask it in the comment section. Alright? I'll see you in our next video. Peace.